Hey guys, I'm Shelby. I work at the digital department here at Reedermedia, and today I wanted to share with you 5 tips to keep in mind whenever you're designing your website. When it comes to the overall layout of your website, you want to keep in mind that simplicity is king. Mainly because a lot of users are going to your website and they're just going to skim through it until they find the information they need. So you want to make sure that you're outlining the most important things first and make sure that the design is simple. It's not drawing any attention away from what you're trying to say to the audience. And simple designs also load faster. So it's going to do well for the performance of your page. The second thing you want to keep in mind is consistency. So you want to be sure that all of your graphics, your fonts, the coloring, and the style, it all matches the overall vibe of your business. So not only do you want to match it to all of your branding and your marketing, you want to be sure that all of your information is correct on that website so that they can contact you. Your email, your phone number, your address, everything should be listed the same as your Google My Business listing. So the third tip is regarding organization. You want to be sure that all of your pages are easily navigable as well as easy to locate. So having the handy tab bar at the top is perfect. Make sure that you put all the most important ones first and provide a contact page so that they can reach out to you whenever they're ready. So the fourth tip is about efficiency. You want there to be a reason for people to stay on the page. And if there's not a reason for people to be on the page, if it's not important information that you're trying to relay to your audience, then the page simply doesn't belong. For example, blank pages, a page that simply just leads into the next page. You want to have a simple layout. You want to give them the most important information first and make it easy for your audience to follow. So the last one is creativity, and this one is arguably the most important one. You need to be showing people why you are doing what you're doing and put on that creative face. Show them what makes you unique and why they should come to you as opposed to your competitors. You want to present a warm and welcoming face and show them the same type of customer service that you would in person. Have a personal vibe that is immediately noticed as soon as the person gets onto your page. Just remember that people connect with a story. They connect with the emotion of why you do what you do and not necessarily your product. Show that you care and show what you can offer them, what makes you unique, why you are valuable. Okay, so just to recap, simplicity is king. You need consistency, organization, efficiency, and creativity with the overall design and layout for your website. So that's all that I have for you today. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, maybe click the bell if you want to be notified for more marketing tips and videos, and we'll see you next time.